Hello world and welcome. Today we're gonna fix the right click on this Logitech MX Master 3 that has some issues. It sometimes clicks and sometimes it doesn't. So let's get started. So there are hidden screws, two here, one here, no, sorry, oh yeah, two here, one here, and two here, which are Phillips PH0, and this at the top is Torx 5. Let's do some preheat with just a hairdryer. Remember, don't overheat it, because there's a lithium battery inside, and lithium batteries don't like heat. So let's switch to, no, that's PH1. Now, with all the screws removed, we need to open the case, which is on clicks. So this is a good start where to open it. There is a ribbon cable, so be careful with that. So here's the cable, don't break it. So now we need to disconnect this. Well, that's a first. Yeah, too much force, but yeah, this is fine. Now we need to disconnect the battery. Or you don't like it. There's not too much of a grip that I can put on it. Come on. video of destruction. So it looks like there are 2 screws that are holding the battery. They look the same. Yep. Gotta put that aside. And so yeah, here is our patient. For the left click, it's on a PCB, so you can change the whole PCB. But for the right click, it's on the main board. So it looks like we need to remove this part. So the board is okay. I disconnected this, so yeah, we definitely need to remove this. So there is so yeah, we're disconnected. So we need to remove this click and add a new one. So most of the internet who changed these clicks by these ones, the red cap. I found the silence ones. So here's the red one. I will use the original one. So now we need to remove this part. So you will need some helping hands. And that was on the switch. Okay, everything's falling apart. So for removing this, I will use the idea of gravity. Let's put it on. We'll need some solder. we will need some, well, today you don't want to work. Yeah, it's not the so 300. I need to change the charger for this one. So now the idea will be to when we heat this up, should want to drop out. If it won't, we will help it. So it looks like it doesn't want to drop out. So we will help it. Yep. Now we need to clean up these holes. So there are holes. So now we have one hole. Now we need to clean this up. Perfect. So this was the, so now we have two holes. Perfect. Like this, right? Right. So we won't break anything on this side. And then we'll put that it stands like that. I'll push it a little bit, so So this should be all for soldering. Let's do some cleanup. Good enough. Good enough. So it would be ideal if before closing that we can test it out. On which side this should be. No idea. Okay. I know that it was off before. Let's switch it on. Connect the battery. Oh, we have light. Shit. Yeah, it works. Cool. Switch it off. Remove the battery. So, cool. Let's put everything back as it needs to be. So, looks like that goes there. What else fell off? Oh, that one. That will be a problem for later. So now let's put it all in. So everything's good in here, good in here, good in here. Put everything back as it needs to be. Boards. No. Yeah, don't lose this one. So did I put it wrong? Yeah, it was like this. Don't tighten it yet. And you put your second screw, then tighten it. So we're good there. So I will need to put oh yeah, got it. Wait, leaving the chat. So all the screws are done from there. So there's a black line that should be near the entrance. Yep. And then close the white one. So as here, you see it? No, you don't see it. Yeah. So when you don't see, like almost don't see this black line, then it's inside, it's inserted. And the battery. Like this, yeah. And it seems that we're good. Now this should like slide in. Yeah, 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 we're good. So this part's closed, this one's closed. Yeah, clicks, we're good. Oh, before we do all that, let's clean it up. Let's test it. I think it's more silent than it was before. Perfect. So after all that, the pads back in. Put it near the corner in a straight line. Yeah, you don't need to buy like new pads every time that you open them. And it works. So this is how you fix a right click on a MX Master 3.3S. So yeah, have a great day.